Welcome back, YouTube, to another Bertolli meal. This is a chicken parm and penne, and that's what it looks like, and that's what it says. Let's go to the nonstick pan. All right, YouTube, so use a nonstick pan. Put it on medium. You want to pour that in there, and you want to cook this for 12 minutes with the cover, and occasionally take the cover off and stir it. So YouTube, it's been about 6 minutes, and we have 6 more minutes left. Take the cover off, just stir it. You see the pieces of chicken, the pasta. There's cheese in there, like right there, and that's all you have to do. 6 more minutes and we're eating. And there you have it, YouTube, your chicken parm pasta in 12 minutes, frozen. And we can't go wrong with that. There's more Bertolli recipes coming in the future. Please hit the like, subscribe, and I have many Bertolli recipes to bring you. And you can see that steam coming off that nice pasta and chicken.